Even those of us who are of age, but we have to feel young before the feet of Jesus. Nyasaye na bwato mocho korobol. Ntutwensi bina abana bang. Igaye na inche na abana baito na abacho korobaito twensi bina abana bango. So all of us today we are children. One more time, especially the Gen Zs. Gen Z, hoy. This is our Sabbath, and we've come to worship with our fathers, with our mothers, with our parents, with our friends. But now we've come to worship and glorify God with our inner power and all that there is that the Lord has granted us to do. I'm also a leader of APM. APM is Adventist Possibility Ministry. And I've seen some of my friends here, so I'm requesting the church to give me a minute if I can speak to my people. All right? I want you to see how they greet back. All right? Good morning. Is this morning? All right? Yeah. Wamenifundisha design hii ya kusalimiana, but I want us to appreciate that this message of the gospel has to be preached to the whole world, to all people, all kindred, all nation, regardless of whichever form that you've got to understand this message. For Christ to come, we must know how to serve, even those of us who speak with their hands. Hallelujah. Even those of us who speak with our what? With our hands. No nyemba litoko kwana na maboka itu. Wekana barobanyo ale message yogo tolie. Elinde yesakole gentoki. Minus that, there is no Christ coming anytime soon. So these are very special people to our church, and we have them in all our congregations across. And we must appreciate them, and I also want to appreciate the church to have even a way of communicating to them. Now, can you ask them if they know how to sing? They know how to sing? All right, come. We only sing one stanza and chorus. Please come. I only know how to sing that song in chorus, but I really want you guys to appreciate. Before the young people would develop back, we could be having also, I can see several young people here, so we want to serve them. Days are filled with what? Very good. Days are filled. We only sing one stanza and chorus. Pianists, if you can give us the key.
476, days are filled with sorrow and care.
Then I will request the whole church will sing the chorus together after they have sung.
B flat.
If you do not know how to sing, I'll teach you from this side. Just a minute, and then all of us will be able to sing in sign language.
Days are filled with sorrow and care, lonely and dreary, burdens are lifted at Calvary, Calvary, are lifted at Calvary. Jesus is wearing me.
All right. Waambie wasimame hapo hapo. Tulia hapo hapo. Now I want all of us, the church, to sing only the chorus because it's the easier one. Chorus peke yake ndio itakuwa rahisi kwa sisi wote kuimba. Na naomba niwaoneshe from this side na wasi muwe waaminifu kwa kutii. Nimewauliza kwa nikisema kutii
Punguza
Yes. Na wasi muwe waaminifu kwa kutii, ili it's part of the sermon as we go forth, as we are prepared for us. Now, let me explain, then you can sing much easier. When we say burdens, so kubeka maboko nsiavere, unaweka mikono yote mbili, one side of your shoulder, then you say burden, then lifting ni kuinua juu, isn't it? Unaweka mikono yote mbili, unainua nayo. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Ziliinuliwa wapi? Calvary, in sign language, C is written like this. You don't know how to put this, but you can see C. C. So this is C. 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 A, B, C. C. Dramo. Tuko pamoja? Toleamwe. Very good. C. Then C means Calvary. So you use it as a sign. But first of all, you must start with the vertical part. Why? Because when the Pharisees asked Jesus, what say you about now the 10 commandments that Commander Moses gave us? Then Christ taught them to say, love thy God with all your heart, with all your soul, and all your power. Then the second one is like the first one, that love thy neighbor. Basi mimi naangalia wakuu wa dini nione kama watatii ama wameamua. Si namna hii. Weka professor akimwangie kiokoraga akimwaga. Professor lige mwana huyu. Unakunja hizi vidole zingine tatu, then una remain na C. Tuko pamoja? Professor sasa ameshika, hata yeye anakuwa mwalimu lakini pia leo ni mwanafunzi. Hallelujah. Yeah, C like this. Then you start vertical first of all. Then you do a cross with the same C. You start the love of God, thy God, with all your power. Then loving thy neighbor the same way you love thyself. Hallelujah. That is the implication of the cross. That is Calvary. You may not know of Calvary is a place where all the burdens were left. And the Christ said, now we are free. We're going to say that in a short while. Then, after Calvary is what? Jesus, unafanya mikono yako hivi, unadunga msumari hapa katikati, unadunga pande hii na pande hii. Meaning what? Yesu alipoenda msalabani, alilipa bei, sio? Na tumekwisha imba wimbo huo, alilipa bei na yote ikaisha kule. So, hii ndio inaonesha ishara ya Yesu, sababu ya msalaba, ya misumari. Then, when you say very near, very is V. Vijana wanasemanga peace. Yeah, but you do both hands. You can do it, you bring them more or less closer. You can do it like this. Like that. That could imply very. Alright? Very. Then near, unaweka mikono yote miwili karibu na tumbo yako pahali. Namna hiyo. Alafu unasema very, very near. You do it towards self. Unafanya towards self. Koraigo professor. Tiga kora munu mondo korwane. Koraiga. Hey, you go. Then very near. Alright? Hallelujah. Yes, very good. Let me repeat this side. So we do Calvary. This is Jesus. Then this is very. Do peace, professor. You do it like this. Like that. Then you do like this. Yeah, this is near now. You do it to self. This is Christ is very near. Okay, chorus, let's go. Burdens are lifted at Calvary.
Calvary. Burdens are lifted at Calvary. Jesus is very near.
Rejoin the again. Naomba tuombee hivyo.
1, 2.
Now, we are almost there now. We sing last time, then the team will go and sit. Let's sing together.
1, 2.
Na hata nikimalizia mahubiri hapo, siku